Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device has an active internet connection and admin rights. This avoids interruptions during install. Next, pick a reputable VPN provider that explicitly lists Russia servers and clear logging policies so you know what you're trusting. Once you've chosen, create an account and prepare a payment method or enable a free trial if available. Make sure to download the provider's official app for your OS rather than third-party clients to reduce configuration errors and security risks. Install the official VPN app and sign in with the account you created. Using the vendor app ensures automatic updates and correct certificates. Once signed in, choose a Russia server. If offered, pick a specific city or dedicated IP for stability and fewer CAPTCHA. Configure the connection protocol, preferring WireGuard or OpenVPN for speed and security, and enable the kill switch to prevent accidental leaks. Finally, set DNS to the provider's secure servers to avoid ISP DNS queries. Then say connect to the selected Russia server and wait for the app to report a secure connection. You should see server name, protocol, and connection time. Verify your new IP and geolocation using an IP check tool to confirm traffic is routed through Russia, and perform a DNS and WebRTC leak test to ensure no data escapes. If you encounter problems, switch to a different Russian server, change the protocol, restart the device, or reinstall the app. If all else fails, contact support with logs enabled for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.